Praise be to Jesus. Bishop Schneider, Catholics are called to combat heresy inside church. Bishop Anastasia Schneider explained in a talk in Rome this afternoon why Catholics, as the church militant, the souls fighting for Christ here on earth, must combat the evils of today, including the evil of heresy within the Catholic Church. When there is no battle, there is no Christendom. When there is no battle, there is no true Church of God, no true Catholic Church, says the auxiliary bishop of Astana, Pakistan, at the 2018 Rome Life Forum at the Pontifical University of St. Thomas Aquinas. The Christian duty to fight against the sin, the errors, and the temptations of the world, including also the fight against the errors inside the church, therefore the fight against heresy and ambiguity in doctrine, he added later. Schneider said that sanctity, prayer, and reason are the weapons Catholics can best use to fulfill their duty to fight evil, and they should turn to their most powerful ally in this fight, the Blessed Virgin Mary. Now, there's more to the article if you're interested in reading it, and the link will be in the description box.